Okay, here's part 2 of that video. And this is nature's jungle gym right here. Ain't that a beauty?
Tell them that it's only one tree.
It's only one tree. If it makes you feel any better. And I have a feeling Michael's gonna get hurt.
Epic fail.
Dude, there's moss growing on a tree. That is sick.
You've never seen that?
Never. Ah! Bad foot. Tight pants suck balls. I'm serious. My leg flexibility goes down to like -2 when I'm wearing these pants.
-2.
This has gotta be the sickest. Holy crap! This is one huge tree. Wow.
Wow, I've never seen this.
Dude, that is the biggest piece of bark I've ever seen. Last time I saw a tree this big, it was taken out in a hurricane and destroyed our basketball court in 1st grade.
I think I see some fucking where it's wet. Yeah, that one.
Dude, if I was like 4 years younger, 5 years younger, oh shit!
Slick, man.
I'm sorry for cussing on the camera. No, fuck this.
Yeah, what are you doing? Look at my dog. Turn around, look at my dog. She's coming up with something.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
The girl up here, pussy.
This bark is gonna slip off from under me, and I'm gonna beat some faces in. Especially you, considering you're the one who made me do this. You know I'm holding this recording while I'm trying to walk, right?
You want me to do it?
I had to think about that one.
I climb this shit all the time.
Spider web! Spider on your leg.
Look at your bird dog, dude.
My bird dog. World dog.
Dude, my leg is so jacked up. Well, my foot still is.
Let me see it, bitch.
Alright, here you go. Just don't drop it, because I will rape you.
I will rape you? Hey, my hand looks pretty good. My hand looks pretty good.
Dave is a pussy, so I have to do this.
Yeah, you heard me.
My hand looks pretty good. It's over your mouth. That's a big ass fucking spider.
Did you kill that shit?
I'm not even kidding. Seriously.
Where's General? Where's Sarah?
Dead?
Okay.
General ate her, dude.
Ah, pretty surprising.
He was like, this looks like a good piece of jerky.
Ow! Someone stabbed me on my fucking hand.
Oh, it's a big ass spider too.
Kill that shit. Don't talk about it, kill it.
I'm glad I have good balance. Why am I wearing shoes to get like the least amount of traction on wood?
Because you're a
Freaking
dumbass.
Vans are good for skating, but nothing else. That should be their motto.
Good for skating, but nothing else. What is he doing? Oh, it's another strike, log!
Dude, this shit's gonna slip out from under me, and I'm gonna be a pissed mother.
Dude, that's when you crawl right about there.
Crawl.
Yeah, like get on your fucking hands and straddle that thing and crawl.
Pass. I feel like such a pansy.
I've done this like 9 times though, so.
Well, yeah, but yeah, I remember.
I'm the one with the fucking purple bracelet. Because my girlfriend made me wear it.
Why are you wearing a purple bracelet? Because you're gay.
No. You're the one that has long fucking curly hair.
That's because I just haven't had the time to cut it.
Yeah, sure. That was my excuse.
I'm serious. Like, I really haven't had the time to cut it. I've been wanting to cut it for like a month now.
How short are you gonna cut it? You gonna buzz it?
I'm gonna cut. No, not that short. I'm gonna cut like 4 inches off it though.
Like mine?
Not that short.
Or not, man?
I'm not like an inch chilling.
Like mine?
It's not even an inch. That's like a centimeter.
Whatever, man.
Centimeter of sadness.
Centimeter of sadness. My hair's got a life.
You got that face that makes girls wanna be yours, but then again, it's like the creepiest face I've ever seen.
Hey, you got the Metcalf in you too, motherfucker. And there's that log it took down.
Is
Hey!
it a curse?
Huh?
Is it a curse?
Is it a curse? I don't know. Is it a curse?
Metcalf curse with women?
Probably. They all want to fuck us, but...
I guess. Look at my dad, dude. He is how old? And he has like that 21-year-old.
No one was all hitting on her the other day.
She was hitting on me the other day, but I was like, you got rabies.
You got rabies. It's just bright, David. How do you turn it off?
Light's always on.
That's gay. Hey, don't be shaking.
Break it.
No, fucker. Please let me sit up. And like, there's like 2 more logs down there. Or is that one big ass log?
Dude, That tree is barely holding this piece up.
Yeah. What?
The tree's leaning against that tree, which is like a tree-gasm.
Hey, Michael.
What?
Be careful going down. When I was going down, a bunch of bark fell.
Oh yeah, I saw you knock it down. Where's General? Let him off, dude. Let him go free for a little bit.
I had him tied up.
Yeah, I honestly think my toe's broken. It's still so jacked up.
Well, grow a fucking pair.
I do,
Cut 'em
but
off.
when I have to stand on my feet for 8 hours, 9 hours at work, I mean, I have the right to bitch a little bit.
Wanna go down the river?
I'm thinking about it.
Let's go. I'll follow you. I got this, man. I got this.
I think it's video time's over.
No, dude. We still got 6 minutes left. 5 minutes and 15
I don't
seconds.
know if I'm going to put this on YouTube now because family thinks it.
What?
Family would hate me if this.
Why?
I've never touched on anybody.
Well, you messed up.
I did.
It's still going on YouTube. At least the other one is. No, don't put that one on YouTube either.
Yeah, that was going on. Understood. You don't want to put that one.
Hey, David, you know there's a magical branch you can grab onto when you walk up here? Austin, what are you doing?
Sitting here.
Are you sitting? You're standing, mister.
Shut up.
I wonder if I can even hear him. If it's a bunch of mum. Hurl dance!
All that bark off, I'm going to hit you so hard.
Hey, your phone went ding-a-ling, and it has a red, green light that keeps blinking.
Green light's blinking.
Yeah, you got a message, I think.
Okay. I will read it.
After you get down.
I'm off this huge
Jungle gym.
thing.
We're off with huge death trap.
It's not death trap, it's just a good thing I gotta see.
I told all. I can't. Hey, whoa, Austin!
What have you guys been talking about, dude? This thing is so slippery. We could probably slide down.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Go grab your phone. Grab your phone. Stop.
No, you know what I did? I sat on my butt and I scooted with my feet.
Grab that shit. Come on. Reach for the stars.
Reach for the stars or slip on my butt. See this right here? That is what we call some moist nonsense.
Hey, fucker.
What?
Alright, hurry up. Go.
I'm
David,
trying
be
to.
really careful because it's really slippery right there.
Dude, my boots
Dude,
have
I
no
know.
traction at all. Look at this.
And right here.
Look at this, David.
That's why I just go with it.
Woo!
Told you.
I'm so glad I have good balance because I just slipped. That could have hurt.
No traction at all.
Dude, you're about to slide off.
Dude, straddle it like you're woman.
I probably got dirt all over mine. Watch out!
Dude, yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Ow!
Hey, this part right here was not me. This part right
Okay.
here was Michael.
I guess I might be wrong. Vans are good for something besides skating.
Fucking army boots here. Got no traction at all. Oh my god.
I wish I had that up so I could have caught that.
Oh. My. Okay. Look over here. Oh.
Yeah, but I didn't even mean to do all that. I was walking down and a
What?
bunch of bark fell, and then I pushed the rest off.
Sarah!